All right, so we're here at the Advanced O'Reilly's. Got Advanced Auto if it doesn't work out. We're here at O'Reilly's Auto Parts because Tom's broke down again, and we're about 3% into our trip. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back with you.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are fresh back from Florida as of yesterday. It was so much nicer in the 80s down there and right back to the 40s here in Illinois. I swear one day we're just gonna live there. But for now, we're back to work, back to grinding. It's so motivating to be down there and see all the cool cars and houses and lifestyle and everything that comes with it. So right back to work, super motivated. Actually wanted to do this video before we left, but we ran out of time. So this is the video where the RZR is getting revealed, the final product. Ovi just left. He's got his house getting remodeled, his kitchen getting redone. So he was here working on it because he already broke it. Go figure, we'll take a look at that. Also behind me is our old couch. We got a new sectional at home. So now we got one for the shop. Brought this booger over here and it is massive, but gonna be great for watching YouTube videos in the shop. But anyways, guys, you'll have to bear with me on explaining the RZR here. I'll show you guys, but it's all about the content that Ovi and the gang picked up from the sand dune trip they went on. So I'm gonna be watching this video. I'm picking up the SD card right now. So I don't even know what's on it yet, but I know it's gonna be good. So we'll roll that footage and we'll check this thing out. And yeah, it's just gonna be fun, guys. So here we go, RZR finished product, let's go. All right, so let's pop open. Look at the Lambo doors. Doors going up. Look at this thing. He's got the rear wheel off it. I kind of just slid it back on there. He had to step away to take a delivery, but for now, this is what it turned out. Look at this bad boy. It's been ripping. Seats are back in it. All the powder coat looks absolutely insane. Speakers are in there, those marine speakers, and it just looks awesome. I wish Ovi was here to explain it to you guys, but for now, you got me. It's kind of self-explanatory. You can see the big 32-inch mud tires on there. Absolutely menacing. Look at this thing from the front, guys. I mentioned the powder coat guy that did all the paint on this before, but I'll put that on the screen again. That dude was awesome. But here we are. Look at this bad boy in the shop, guys. It is just hot as can be. You can see from the rear end, look at it. Everything white and teal, just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Exhaust sounds good, runs good. Ran like a top and then he blew it up, or then he ripped a tire off or something. We'll have to see in the footage, guys, but just wanted to give you a quick run around. Kind of wanted to show you guys the paint work and everything else, and then we'll roll the footage because that's what's going to be good from the trip. And yeah, it's just cool, guys. So shout out Ovi, Overtime Diesel. You guys get down there, check out the shop for all your diesel truck needs, whether you got a diesel truck, you want some RZR stuff done, whatever, fab work, email Ovi. Guys, go down to the shop. Don't come out here. This is private property, but this is awesome, guys. It's so freaking cool. I guess, should we see if we can turn on some of the lights? Oh boy. Look at that. What's it say? Polaris, look at it go. Let's see if the lights work, bub. Oh, look at the LEDs on the front. Oh, that thing looks so freaking hot. Oh my gosh. I'm sure it looks good on the video too, but I'm just grabbing this just in case we need it for the footage, but I'm sure it looks awesome. On the SD card, I wonder if the tail lights light up too. Oh, red ones do. That one, what's going on, Ove? These here, reverse lights, probably got to turn them on, but the LEDs look sick, guys. Absolutely awesome. Bluetooth disconnected, but you must be able to hook your phone up to it. Oh, I'm terrible. I'm sorry you guys got me today, but we're just pushing buttons in here and making it happen. Turn that key off, boy. Hey, real quick too, guys, on the truck, Ovi actually been working on trying to get this thing running. He thinks I fried a module, by the way, but look, he actually redid all my crimps, all my wires. It wasn't up to his standards. Thank God we got a mechanic that knows something. He's thinking that one of these modules here, this one, the ABS one, anti-theft, something got cooked when I hooked that battery up backwards. His scan tool's been picking up a bunch of things, so he is still at war on this truck for me. Thank you, Ovi, you're amazing. Back to the RZR. I know I'm all over the place.
All right, so we made it to our first destination out here on the trip. Tom ain't make it, so we got new globe. We got the whole fucking plug wires. So we're not making it too far, but let's get these fixed up and we'll be right back on the road. Stay tuned. How are we looking in there, Tom?
Pretty good.
All right.
Well, if we leave at noon, it's 4 hours, so we'll get there by 3 o'clock because Indiana's an hour behind, but in reality, it's an hour ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's you.
this before I've even watched the SD card footage, so I apologize. Ovi's got the camper out. He's been spending a lot of time at the shop lately working on all the projects out here, so when the day's long, nights are long, he can just hop inside the old camper here, the old RV, and pass out for the night, so that's super cool as well. But for now, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. The RZR's so sick. What do you guys think about it? Put it in the comments below. How did Ovi and the guys do on the filming? I know it's nice to have a change of pace and not just me on the camera for once, so thumbs up for that too. But anyways, guys, if you did like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and we will see y'all in the next one. Peace.